What if you're in the midst of an immersive home theater experience, completely absorbed in the cinematic universe being projected on your big screen? You turn up the volume, and suddenly the sonic landscape shifts, transporting you to the heart of the action. Every nuance, every detail, every explosion becomes a sensory overload that redefines your entertainment expectations. That's what it's like to experience sound with the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F2 floor-standing speakers. We've all been there before, trudging through the drudgery of average sound quality in our home theaters. Speakers that fail to deliver the promise of an immersive experience, a cacophony of distortion that ruins the illusion. This isn't just a minor annoyance. It's a major frustration that affects the entire entertainment experience. It's a disappointment that can leave you questioning the very purpose of investing in an elaborate home theater setup. The good news is that technology has finally caught up, and companies like Klipsch have been pushing the boundaries of what's possible with home audio. And that's exactly what the new Reference Premier RP-8000F2 speakers promise. An unparalleled upgrade in sound quality that redefines the home theater experience. As I unboxed the speakers, I couldn't help but notice the exceptional build quality. These aren't just any speakers. They're premium, handcrafted units that exude a sense of luxury. The attention to detail is striking, with precision-crafted drivers and crossovers that seem almost too beautiful to be functional. The aesthetic appeal is undeniable, with an ebony finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. But it's the feel of the speakers that truly sets them apart. There's an unmistakable weight to these units, a sense of solidity that suggests you're holding something truly exceptional. When you connect them to an amplifier or receiver, the sheer sonic potential becomes palpable, a rush of excitement that leaves you eager to explore the limitations of the device. Now let's dive deeper into the technical specifications that set the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F2 speakers apart. The new, larger 90 degrees x 90 degrees hybrid Tractrix horn is a major game changer. This isn't just a minor upgrade. It's a revolutionary design that increases the overall efficiency of the speaker by up to 100%. This translates to a massive improvement in sound quality, with clear, detailed highs and tight, punchy lows. The 1-inch LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter is another standout feature. This exclusive design minimizes distortion and enhances detailed performance, delivering an immersive sonic experience that draws you in like nothing else. The result is an astonishing level of precision and accuracy, with even the most nuanced sounds rendered with crystal clarity. But it's not just the treble that's been upgraded. The 8-inch Cerametallic woofers have also been improved. These are true signature pieces on the Reference Premier series, delivering deep, resonant bass that seems almost palpable. The updated design features a stiffer cone and improved suspension, resulting in tighter, more controlled bass that complements the treble perfectly. Real-world testing is where the real magic happens. Imagine yourself in a dimly lit home theater, surrounded by an audience of friends and family who are all eagerly awaiting the start of the movie. The speakers are connected to an amplifier and receiver, and the lights are dimmed in anticipation of the big screen experience. As the opening credits roll, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F2 speakers spring to life, delivering an immersive sonic landscape that draws everyone in. The impact is almost immediate. You feel like you're right there on the screen, witnessing the action unfold in stunning detail. The soundstage is vast and complex, with multiple instruments and sound effects swirling around you in perfect harmony. Even at the highest volumes, the sound quality remains crystal clear, with nary a hint of distortion to be seen. But it's not just the movies that showcase the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F2 speakers. They excel in music listening as well. Whether you prefer classical orchestras, rock concerts, or electronic dance tracks, the speakers deliver an incredible level of fidelity and precision. You'll feel like you're right there in the recording studio, surrounded by the musicians and instruments that came together to create the music. Now, as with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F speakers deliver a level of sound quality that's nothing short of astonishing. There is significant investment, to be sure, but one that pays dividends in terms of entertainment value and overall satisfaction. In terms of minor concerns, some users may find the speakers to be a bit too large for their space, although this is a trade-off for the exceptional sound quality they deliver. That being said, Klipsch has taken steps to reduce the weight and size of the speakers, making them more manageable for users with modest-sized rooms. Comparing the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F speakers to their competitors is like comparing apples and oranges. They simply stand head and shoulders above the competition in terms of sound quality and overall performance. While some manufacturers may claim to deliver similar results, the evidence speaks for itself. Klipsch has pushed the boundaries of what's possible with home audio, and the RP-8000F speakers are the perfect testament to that effort. In conclusion, if you're in a market for speakers that truly deliver an immersive home